What's going on, Pepe coin holders? Welcome back here to the channel. We are looking at the Pepe coin weekly chart. And in this video, I want to talk about kind of what's happening right now that's setting up really nicely for Pepe. You guys know Pepe runs on the Ethereum blockchain. And we have been watching ETH very closely, and we're starting to see some really positive signs from Ethereum here today as we take a look at the market this morning. Bitcoin dialing back a little bit here at the time of the recording. Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin today and in the last 7 days slightly, even though Bitcoin has shown amazing strength and obviously set new all-time highs. But here in the last 7 days, Ethereum is slowly breaking out against Bitcoin. Now, it hasn't been crazy significant yet where everybody's turning their heads, but we have started to see a slow grind upwards. And if we zoom out here to the last 30 days, people often forget. I mean, Ethereum was down here at $1,700, you know, earlier this month. Earlier this month, we were down here at 1,700, and now we've been up above 2,700, adding $1,000 to the price, $417 billion market cap. Slowly but surely, we're starting to see ETH make its move. Now, what we're really waiting for is a break above 3,000. That's a psychological number, but it's also a pretty significant number when we look at the overall chart as a whole. But when we look inside Ethereum, you have to go and find the other top assets on ETH, right? So we've got SHIB, which I've talked quite a bit about here, over the years. And the second biggest underneath SHIB is Pepe. And the volume here on Pepe at 1.2 billion right now compared to SHIB at 176 million. It's basically like an 8 to 10x every single day in volume for Pepe over SHIB, which is kind of crazy when you think about it. Dogecoin in a league of its own, of course, but Pepe and SHIB are the two largest Ethereum meme coins. And to me, Pepe right now is the better bet, just given what I'm looking at in terms of exposure and volume and whale activity. Way more interest right now happening with Pepe over everything else. And I'm not going to say that SHIB won't move, but I do think Pepe is set up really nicely to perform extremely well. So if we take a look at, Pepe against Shiba Inu here, and we let's come back in here and put in Pepe again. Looks like we had a refresh. There we go. So Pepe's about 44% away from reaching Shiba Inu's market cap. I definitely think this could happen. I think it's on the verge of happening already. And if this volume discrepancy continues, Pepe's setting up to be a really nice mover. This is the weekly chart, guys. This is the weekly chart on Pepe. If we look at the technicals, very strong technical indicators here for Pepe. And we're above most of our major moving averages, that we've seen and talked about for a really long time, pretty much across the board. Okay, even the 200-day is sitting here at 13.21. The SMA, we're at 14 flat right now, still looking comfortably over it. Here in the last 3 weeks, we've kind of just coiled up. We're kind of trading sideways after a big burst to start the month of May. But really, we've been in an uptrend since March. Since the first week of March, we have been in a slow grind upwards here. Again, these are weekly charts here on Pepe. So this reversal that we've seen continues to show some real strength here on the Pepe chart. And we're not far away from breaking out and hitting an all-time high. It's kind of shocking how close we are with Pepe, about 50% away from its all-time high right now, right on the nose. And I think we're finally going to see it happen at some point here in 2025. And I still like the back half to really see the floodgates open for Ethereum. And when it does, Pepe hasn't seen a full-fledged bull cycle. I think this could, definitely be a way to get exposure to Ethereum with the, second largest meme coin on ETH right now, but soon could be number one if this trend continues. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think Pepe will overtake SHIB? Do you think it'll be the big Ethereum winner when it's all said and done, once Ethereum starts to move, set new all-time highs, I am in the camp of yes. I think Pepe is a great bet right now. And again, it's not to say that SHIB won't move. There should be some gains to be had there. And I also absolutely love the setup right now for Brett at $670 million market cap. Keep this one on your radar as well. This is another large cap, of course, and the largest meme coin on base, which is an L2 on ETH. Also set up really, really nicely from its all-time highs. And Pepe and Brett, to me, are the two clear-cut big winners right now in my portfolio in terms of where we could go. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below in the comment section. Don't forget to check out XT Algo, my trading indicator. This will indicate you when Pepe and other top cryptos are about to break loose from their chart formations. You guys will be able to set up your own customized alerts and have all the insights you need to take advantage of the markets. And of course, we've got BTCC and BITUNIX, two premiered exchanges that I represent, both linked down below for you guys to come over and trade with me. Great perks, deposit bonuses, and extra bonuses as well on both of these platforms. I appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.